Hey friends, if you wish to list touchpad gestures in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for touchpad and then go to touchpad settings. Now expand this. There's a switch here, but you can expand this. So if you wish to know about touchpad gestures, okay, once it is on and if the switch is connected, then here's what happens with taps. Okay, you can change its sensitivity and you can select what happens when you tap on it. Like you tap with a single finger for a single click, tap with two fingers for a right click, and tap twice to multi-select. Press the lower corner of the touchpad to right click. Similarly, for scroll and zoom, you can choose the scroll options, like what happens when you try scrolling. And then we have three finger gestures which have even more options. When you click on this, it will show way more options, like do nothing or switch apps and desktop, and then switch apps and desktop or change volume. See what happens. Okay, now I can reduce or increase the volume using this gesture, and that can be very helpful. And then we have these four finger gestures as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.